Hi folks, and welcome to my dinner table demonstrations, or dilemmas as I prefer to call them. What we're going to look at this afternoon now, is a phone extension system which many of you who have worked in shops and offices in the 60s, 70s and possibly even the 80s will recognise. It's a system where there is a main phone and an extension phone where you can have intercommunication between the two. The main phone controlling all this. This particular one is known as a GPO Plan 107. It's the 107 external. There is an internal version where the extension phone has a buzzer. In this case, it's the bell that rings in the extension phone, because in normal circumstances the extension phone would be situated in a building some distance away from where the main phone is. To use as an intercom in its basic state, it's simply a matter of the main picking up the handset and calling the extension by pressing one of the call buttons. Similarly, if the extension wanted to call the main, they wouldn't lift the handset, they would just press the button and it would set a buzzer off in the main. Once both handsets are lifted, they can have a conversation. To make an outgoing call on the main would lift the handset, press the speak to exchange button, get the dial tone and make an outgoing call. Press the release key once you're finished. If an incoming call arrived, which we're going to set up now, if I can remember how to do it. The main would answer, press the speak to exchange button and continue the call. If the caller requested that they needed to speak to the exchange, the speak to extension exchange held button would be pressed, lighting a red lamp to indicate to the main that the call is on hold. The main would then call the extension. The extension would answer, and once the extension had accepted the call, the extension to exchange button would be pressed and the main would replace their handset. In this case, the yellow lamp would remain lit all the time that the extension was using the line. At the point that the extension clears down the line, replaces their receiver, the yellow lamp extinguishes. That should then be returned to release so that the main would then ring on another incoming call. Should the extension remain switched through, we'll create another incoming call when I find my app that does it. In this case, the extension rings, but the buzzer sounds in the main. Clear that call now. Did we do the extension calling? I don't think we did the extension calling the main. If the extension wants to call the main, presses the button, operates a buzzer in the main. I'm pretty certain. As I say, there are some internal systems which use buzzers in the extensions. They will be the subject of a future video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope it's okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.